Hello, here's how you operate the La Cantina doors on the north side of the house. So to lock it, you close it, pull the handle up, and then turn the knob counterclockwise one click, and it's locked. Unlock, turn the knob the other way, and it's open. These folding doors, you use this lever, pull it to the right, push it out, they run on this track. Same for this one. To close it, go in an opposite order that you opened them. And you pull it tight, and then pull the lever back down and it locks in place. For outside locking, pull the handle up just like you did inside. And then with the key that's on the lanyard, insert the key, turn clockwise one click, it's locked, and to unlock, counterclockwise. Thanks.